Hey food lovers, welcome back to Winnfreys kitchen. Today we are turning simple tofu into a crispy, saucy, tangy stir-fry masterpiece. If you love plant-based dishes packed with flavor, you are in for a treat. Let's get cooking. Winnfreys kitchen! For the spices we'll need gochugaru or chili flakes for that kick, black pepper, a touch of herbal salt, and corn flour to help our tofu crisp up beautifully. For the sauce, we'll need ketchup, oyster sauce, soy sauce, honey, and lemon to get lemon juice for that beautiful tangy flavor. We'll also need garlic and coriander stems to bring that amazing aroma. And for the garnish, we'll need a sprinkle of coriander leaves and sesame seeds to finish it off beautifully. And of course, the star of the show, our tofu slices. Now, first things first, pat dry your tofu slices and make sure they are completely dry. This helps them crisp up nicely when frying. Next, place the tofu slices in a bowl and cut them evenly with corn flour, herbal salt, and black pepper. Once everything is well mixed, set them aside and let's prepare the rest of our ingredients. To mince the garlic, peel it, flatten it with a knife, and chop it finely. Then finely chop the coriander stems too. For the coriander leaves, cut them into small pieces. We'll use these later for garnish. Don't forget to juice your lemons. This adds that refreshing tang to our sauce. It's time to shallow fry. In a pan, heat some oil on medium heat. Once it's hot, gently add the tofu slices one by one and shallow fry it until they turn golden brown. Now, flip each piece carefully and let the other side cook until golden brown as well. Once done, remove the tofu from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add a small knob of butter and let it melt. Then toss in the chopped coriander stems and garlic and let them sizzle for a few seconds until fragrant. Now, to build that tangy sauce, add ketchup, oyster sauce, and soy sauce and give it a good mix. Next, stir in your honey for sweetness, then pour in the lemon juice for that tangy, glossy balance. Then sprinkle in some gochugaru or chili flakes for that perfect color and mild spicy kick. When the sauce starts to bubble and thicken, add your crispy tofu slices back in. Toss gently until every piece is beautifully coated with that sticky, tangy honey garlic sauce. Now, just look at that. Our tofu looks absolutely mouth-watering, golden, glossy, and bursting with flavor. For the final touch, sprinkle your sesame seeds and fresh coriander leaves on top. And there you have it. Your tangy honey garlic tofu village style meets modern twist plant-based perfection. You can enjoy this as a main or pair it with rice, salad or veggies. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes from my kitchen. Tell me in the comments, how do you love your tofu? I'd love to hear your response. Bye!